Getting some gas in the GT3 here. We got Tanner in the Targa. It's a Targa 4S. It has upgrade turbos and full soul exhaust on it, so that thing's pretty crazy. D3 likes to drink too, for sure. Especially when it starts popping and stuff, it just drinks all the gas. But we'll see. It's gonna be a fun day. Went to Cars and Coffee at the Charlotte Motor Speedway, so it should be a good little meet. There was a ton of cars there last time, so should be fun. Say what's up, bro.
What's up, bro?
Fire, bro. Fire. Pretty packed out here today. There's got cars everywhere. I just made it to the meet. Y'all know about that Targa action right there. And boy Tanner dropping the top on him. This is crazy. I know, right? It looks like he swings this thing for sure. Oh yeah. It's like a drift missile. Yeah, that's pretty wild. SSR too. Some nice wheels.
Oh, nice.
Right hand drive. I forgot everything at this meet is right hand drive.
Big single laser too.
Yeah. I love Aston Martin.
I do too.
This thing is clean too. There's a little Snell in there. It's pretty nice.
All the way from Virginia.
We got the Nido. And let's pop the hood, bro. Let's pop the hood.
Nice.
Everything's low.
Oh my god, that thing looks good.
This has to be on air.
That shit looks great.
Nice color. On the Apexes too.
That front lip is clean. So
Yeah, it is.
Dog's good with the GT lane, honestly.
Yeah, this looks good.
Nice.
GT Sport. Yeah, this thing's kind of clean, man. Manual too.
Nice, dude. I like
What does this say? Oh yeah, look.
White barrel looks sick.
Tech Art.
Oh shit. This is a whole Tech Art body kit.
Oh, okay.
That front bumper.
Look, it even has the Tech Art wheels on it.
Holy shit. This thing is
Carbon
nice,
on the duck right there. This is clean, man.
So
I don't think I've ever seen one like
impressed
this.
with this car
This paint on this E46 though. Hold on, let me show y'all purple, man. It's like midnight purple. Oh my goodness. Is that a 1J or is it 2J? I always get confused. But look at that turbo size. Yeah, this thing's nice, bro. T4 right here. Big Evo. Got the Olin suspension. Oh my gosh. What? This is crazy. 911 turbo. 991, best generation. Low key. Dang, bro. I just love this generation of Porsche, bro. They were in their bag with this one. Manual too. Rear S. 720S. Real Batmobile. Man, look all the carbon. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It looks really good. There it is. Will it be nice? Dang, we got some nice ones over here. 992 GT3. 750S.
Oh, this is the new.
That's the new one, bro. Look at the carbon around the headlight, bro. 750S. Then you got the GT3, man.
Nice manual as well. Good spec.
Yeah. It doesn't have any buckets in it, but
Nah, but that's
still very, very nice.
still a good option.
Yeah. Carbon roof.
9K revs.
This is so nice. The blue with the yellow looks so good.
I like it a lot. We had a
Another GT3 991. Real nice. Dang, this E46 looks crazy. Excuse me, 36. BBSs. Dang, dude, this is tough, bro. Wow. GT3 RS. Doesn't even pick up how wide this car is.
sure enough.
Pro Charge. See what you're saying now.
It's actually kind of cool.
Volkswagen?
Interesting.
This is kind of cool.
It's electric, but I mean, it's kind of cool.
Fully electric. Two-tone paint, kind of like a Maybach. This is pretty cool. Well, they got free donuts, bro. Look how big this donut is, bro. Sounds like a burger. What Which one you get, bro? What is that?
I don't know what it is, but it's fire. Talk.
GTR is nice. Nice black on it. With the brown interior. I'm just smacking y'all's ear with this donut, ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Nice with the canards in the front.
It's got like
The ankle takers. Yeah, this is real nice. Nice Supra. Another GTR. Another GTR. And another GTR. I'd still get one day. Just wouldn't want my transmission to blow up on it. Dang, a bone stock Supra? What the heck? Oh my goodness, I don't even know what this is. Right hand drive though. I thought it was a Singer at first, but it's not. $750.
nice. Looks good with the top down.
Dang, so this thing looks aggressive. Yeah, that seat might be uncomfortable. It's my first time saying that about a bucket, but look how the pads are just slapped onto the carbon. Alright. Speed yellow. ACR. Crazy. Performante. This is my favorite, man. I love these. Look at that M3 going by. I mean M4. I love the Huracans, bro. I really do. Hold on. I see a Pista 488 rolling through. You said it's an underground car?
Yeah, it's got UR.
Oh, okay.
It might be a turbo car.
Yeah, so Underground is a company that makes twin turbo kits for Lamborghinis.
I think that's right. I want to say that's their logo.
So this thing probably makes what, 1,000 horsepower? I mean, I see the R888s.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, twin turbo. I kind of like it with the bumper on. A lot of people take it off, but I think it looks kind of cool.
I mean, I don't know. I kind of like it.
Dude, look how low the front lip is, though. I feel like I just destroy that in the first week.
Be fun, man.
Yeah. Shark blue.
Oh.
Dang, this is nice.
Or it's stealth. Stealth BBL. We might.
Dang, this is kind of crazy. 6-speed manual. M58. I mean M55. Still clean, man. Yeah, this is pretty sick. Another E36 Apexes. Yeah, this color is so nice. Got Barricade from Transformers. Shut. Dang, dude. The M850. Of course, on the Apexes. This thing looks good. Then the E92. I mean, excuse me, E90 M3. Yeah, both of these. And then look at this. On the Apexes again, bro. M4 right here, G82, then a G80, the carbon fenders. Oh my goodness, what? Dude, nuts, bro. Does it say BS on it? Yeah, it does. Vader Solutions all the way out here in North Carolina. Oh my goodness. Dang, that's cool.
Huh. Like that.
That's so cool.
Oh, it's ITBs.
Yeah.
Check that out.
It's got the Evo, sparkle seats in there. This is so fun, probably. This is cool too.
Yes, it is. It is a GTC.
Good.
Jeez, bro. It looks massive in there, especially with the turbo.
That's
Workmeister wheels.
Oh no, that's the Terminator engine.
Oh, okay.
That shit's probably dumb fast.
Manual too.
Supercharger.
I like the color of the brake calipers, that baby blue. Tigers, I've always liked Tigers. I like how the roof goes back on this. You got the wheel cover on it. Yeah, this is clean. Gonna head out of the meet now. It was a good turnout. Hope y'all like the content. Gonna get some rollers on the way back, hopefully. So let's go ahead and get into it. I just can't get over how amazing this car is, for real. Like, bro, it just sounds like a F1 car, bro. Like, I don't know, the way it shifts is just so crisp, bro. The PDK, bro, is just an immaculate transmission, bro. That's all I can say. Everybody talks about the ZF and all this other stuff, bro. The PDK is something else, bro. You can just like play around with it, you know, just have fun. It's so cool. Alright guys, I'm basically in the video right here. It was a blast driving this car. It was a good turnout at the meet. Overall, good video. Man, if y'all like this video, please like and please subscribe. If y'all are in the market for Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, like I always say, hit up HBI. Come check out the lot. They have a ton of Porsches. I have a Ferrari. They have all types of stuff out there, G-Wagons. So yeah, just go ahead and check that out. Link will be in the bio. But just want to thank y'all so much for clicking on the video and just listen to this GT3. Just beautiful, man. Magnificent. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.